In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PDF in a Blogger post. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To begin with, head over to blogger.com. This platform offers you the tools to create a unique and beautiful blog with ease. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Sign In button, visible at the upper right corner of the screen. Signing in is straightforward, just use your Google account credentials to log in. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Blogger homepage. This is your hub where you manage all aspects of your blog. From here, navigate to the layout option on the left-hand side panel. Clicking on this brings up the layout editing options, allowing you to customize the visual elements and structure of your blog. Now it's time to add the PDF gadget to your layout. Look for the option that says Add a Gadget. Once you click on it, a pop-up window will appear listing various widgets you can add to your blog. Scroll or search through these options until you find HTML JavaScript. Click on this option to proceed. The next step involves some manual input, but don't worry, it's straightforward. You'll see a field where you can enter HTML or JavaScript code. Here you'll want to paste the URL link of the PDF that you want to embed. This might be a link you've hosted on a cloud service or from a URL where your PDF is publicly accessible. Make sure this link is correct, as this will ensure the PDF displays properly on your blog. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully embedded a PDF into your Blogger layout. Remember, having a well-structured and organized blog not only enhances the reader's experience, but also adds to the professionalism and appeal of your online presence. Experiment with this feature and see how you can creatively incorporate PDFs into your blog to enhance the user experience. With Blogger, the possibilities are as vast as your creativity allows. Should you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore Blogger's help resources. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tips on how to optimize your blogging experience. Happy blogging!